If you want to ensure your account displays the correct billing amount for your next trip, changing your settings is essential. In this video, I will show you how to change the currency on Airbnb to make your travel planning much easier. To begin, log in to your Airbnb account and navigate to your dashboard. From here, there are two quick ways to make the change. The fastest method is to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. In the footer, you will see a globe icon next to the current language and currency. Simply click it. Simply scroll through the list and select the one you prefer. Alternatively, you can navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the menu icon, often called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up a list of several options. From this menu, you will want to select Language and Currency. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can modify your regional settings. Your goal here is to navigate specifically to the Currency section. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a list of all available currencies supported by the platform. Simply scroll through the list and select the one you prefer. The change takes effect immediately, allowing you to see all listings and booking costs in your chosen currency. This is a quick and effective way to ensure your browsing experience matches your specific financial needs. That's how you change the currency on Airbnb.